Hello, and welcome to Learning with Gotti. Today, we will be going on an adventure, discovering dinosaurs and underwater creatures.
Hi there!
Look, Maya, our first dinosaur. Wow, huge Brachiosaurus.
Wow, he is huge, Gotti.
Tyrannosaurus rex.
He was one of the most powerful dinosaurs. He looks a bit scary, but his tiny arms are actually quite...
This is a Triceratops. See those 3 horns on his head?
They helped him protect himself. 3 horns! He looks like he's wearing a giant knitted shield.
Meet the Stegosaurus. Those plates on his back helped him stay at the right temperature.
I love the colors on his plates.
We learned so much today, Maya. Dinosaurs were truly amazing.
They were. I can't wait for our next adventure, Gotti.
Welcome back, Maya. Today we're meeting even more dinosaur friends. Meet the Ankylosaurus.
Armored tank. Look at that big tail bobble.
This is the Spinosaurus. He has a huge sail on his back that might have helped him stay cool or show off to others.
That sail is beautiful. It matches my rainbow sweater.
And look at these quick velociraptors. They were very fast and smart.
They're so tiny and fuzzy. They look like they're playing tag.
There are so many different types of dinosaurs to learn about.
I love our amigurumi adventures, Gotti.
This is a Dilophosaurus. When he's surprised or showing off, he pops out that beautiful yarn frill.
It looks like a giant colorful fan. He's so stylish, Gotti.
Meet the Diplodocus. He's one of the longest dinosaurs ever. His tail is like a giant yarn
He
whip.
stretches across the whole meadow. That's a lot of knitting, Gotti.
And over there are the Gallimimus.
They were very fast runners, just like fuzzy ostriches. They're so speedy. They look like they're in a race.
This is the Allosaurus. He was the lion of the Jurassic period, a very fierce Ammi hunter.
He looks strong, Gotti. His knitted claws look very sharp.
Check out the Carnotaurus.
He has horns just like a bull.
Gotti likes this guy.
He has even tinier arms than the T-Rex. He's so cute in a fuzzy way.
He uses those claws to pull down tall yarn branches to eat.
They look like giant amigurumi knitting needles.
And this is the Archaeopteryx. His specials are related to birds.
He's so colorful and fuzzy. He looks like he's ready to fly through a yarn rainbow.
What a journey! Our amigurumi world is
Full of prehistoric wonders. It really is, Gotti. I've had the best day ever. Bye-bye, dinosaurs!
Welcome to the yarn sea, Maya. Look at the sea turtle. They can travel thousands of miles through the yarn currents.
He's so graceful, Gotti. I love the patterns on his knitted shell.
This is an octopus. He has 8 arms. He's a master of camouflage in the knitted reef.
8 arms? Imagine how many sweaters he could knit at once.
Behold the blue whale, the largest amigurumi creature in the ocean.
Even in yarn, the splash of yarn bubbles is like a woolly waterfall.
See the seahorses? They use those curly tails to hold onto the kelp so they don't drift away.
They look like little golden treasures hiding in the yarn forest.
Down in the deep, the anglerfish uses its own built-in light to find its way and attract friends.
His little yarn lantern is so bright. It's like a tiny star under the sea.
The yarn sea is full of wonders, just like the land.
I'm having a splash-tastic time. See you on our next adventure, friends.
Welcome to the woolly marsh. Look at the Mosasaurus. He's like a giant amigurumi whale with sharp teeth.
Whoa, he made a huge splash, Gotti.
Welcome to the lagoon, Maya. That's an Ixtarumi reptile.
He looks so shiny with that silver thread, Gotti. I love how he glides through the yarn waves.
Look at the oviraptor. His name means egg thief, but he was actually a very good parent guarding his nest.
The eggs are so colorful. They look like soft jewels.
This is a Dimetrodon. That magnificent sail on his back might have helped him warm up in the sun.
It looks like a giant fan. He's so bright and fuzzy.
Meet the Protoceratops. He didn't have big horns like the Triceratops.
He has a very sweet face. He looks like a little knitted puppy dinosaur.
Check out the Piatnitskysaurus. Even though he's smaller, he was a very fast and skilled hunter.
He looks very focused, Gotti.
Finally, the Quetzalcoatlus, the largest flying creature ever.
His wings are huge. What an amazing way to end our dinosaur journey, Gotti.
Thanks for watching Learning with Gotti, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learning with Gotti.
Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.